Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. You got an impromptu video today. This is going to be an unboxing video of some orchids from Orquivalle. Or Orquivalle. It's a Colombian company. But anyways, I spent my entire day at work repotting plants. Come home and get to do that again. Awesome. Anyways, let's get on with this unboxing video. So, I've already peeked a little bit, kind of at how they package the stuff. I haven't opened any of the plants yet, but it looks like we got this kind of newspaper packaging stuff, and then another layer of protection for the plants underneath. So, let's see if I have an invoice somewhere in here. Feels like there's some kind of cotton or meshy kind of material in here. Let's see. Okay. I don't know. So, for some context, I placed this order in January, and honestly, I kind of forgot about it. And I was recently notified that they'd be shipping soon, and so pretty excited to see what is in here. Of course, it's Lepanthes. So here's the first bag. Let me just tear it open. Oh yeah, finally they got my name wrong here. Let's see. So they packed it in these little, looks like soda bottles. And I mean, I'm seeing it through this plastic. It looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see the plant. It looks pretty good in there. What's the tag say this is? This is Lepanthes pastoensis. Okay. Oh, this is pretty smart. So they drill some holes so the sphagnum doesn't get the sphagnum can breathe a little, because this is pretty wet. I'm assuming these are fresh imports too, so let me just... Okay, so I don't want to drip this all over my carpet. I'll just kind of zoom in from the top. You can see the leaves are pretty healthy. And so let me just get into the other stuff. And then once I'll unpack everything off camera, and then show you what they look like. Okay, so the next one in here, another Lepanthes. I took this opportunity to just load up on some Lepanthes. This one is Lepanthes rutrum, and I don't know if you can see. That's pretty good in terms of health-wise. It's pretty turgid. Doesn't look too desiccated. Let me actually open some blinds. It's a little dark in here. I don't actually know if that helped at all, but as you can see, if you can see down there, try to focus this. There's some new growing tips there, and they're green. So that's pretty exciting. So again, when these all bloom out, I will definitely share. Alright, so I was wrong about it being some kind of fluffy material. It's actually just hard plastic. Next one also has 2 in it. I'll cover my name there. This is, again, also my first time ordering from Orquivalle, so I'm pleasantly surprised. Okay, I think this is nice anyway, based off the leaf. Yeah, Lepanthes nice anyway. So this one does look a little bit more rough, but this species is, I feel like, pretty difficult to to ship because they got really thin leaves. They just desiccate on you in shipment. That looks pretty good though, so I'm sure it'll pull through. Excited to use that to breed with my current 2 other Niacinnias when they bloom. So I got some good variety of genetics. I really like this method of packaging with the pop bottles or soda bottles, but man, someone's drinking a lot of soda for that. This one, I don't really remember what this. Rebes. Okay. This is gonna be exciting as well because I got a flask of Rebes, and they don't seem to be sibling compatible. And that's from Equigenera. And so this one's from Orquivalle. Again, hopefully they're genetically different enough so I can start breeding them. Someone's drinking a lot of, looks like Coke Zero, and the black cap ones. This one is Symbium, Penthes Symbium. I don't think I remember what this one looks like, but anyways, we'll see when it blooms out. So I was kind of hoping that some of these would be on mounts already, and so I would have less mounting work to do right now. Doesn't look like that's the case, so it's gonna be a busy night for me. Here is everyone's favorite thin-leafed Lepanthes, Calodictyon. It's got 2 really good looking leaves here. Usually these either show up like completely dead or you got some hope, you know. So this is hopeful with 2 leaves that aren't completely melted away. I'm touching this too and it feels a little waxy still, which is great. Bag number 1. Okay, let's move on. Again, see there's like nicely tightly packed stuff in here. I'm not sure if I got duplicates of stuff in this order, but I do know I got a lot of species I already had, so I can get some genetic diversity. Okay, this one looks really good too. This is Lepanthes discolor. Feeling the leaves, you know, just give them a little touch. Do they feel, you know, pretty turgid, or are they gonna fall off, you know, when you turn around? Feels good. So this next one, oh, I got a stray leaf on this one. Right there. This poor thing is detached. The rest of it looks fine though. So I lost 1 leaf. No big deal. This is Lepanthes jubata. Again, I'm touching this again. This feels a little soft, so I'd be a little worried. I'm gonna prioritize getting this one all potted up first then. I'm assuming that these have been shipped like very bare root. Because there's much less moss than how Equigenera does it, but everything seems to be great. Or mostly great at least. This packaging idea with the, again, I can't get over it. It's like first time seeing this kind of thing. Really, really cool. Usually you see deli cups with these little minis, but here's a Lepanthes trachea. This one looks really good. Touching the leaves, feels good. The one I have right now, I don't know if it's gonna make it. So if it does, and this one looks like it'll definitely make it, you can get some good babies out of that. I think this one might be. Any guesses? My guess is it's Telepogoniflora. It's just that iconic tiny size. And I'm right. It's Lepanthes Telepogoniflora. 3 leaves, good size. 4 leaves. Some pretty good looking roots. Yeah. I got a lot of these, so this is gonna be good. Hopefully I can get some more orange ones, because the ones I have kind of have a yellowy tinge to them. But while I really like it still, I really want to try and find some that are breed for some of them that are like darker red or darker orange. Let's see what this one is. Oh, okay. I know I got 2 of this one, because I was obsessed with this one when I saw it. This is Lepanthes quadricornis, and the name, like, you know, quad for cornis, I guess horns. The flower looks insane. The petals kind of have, I guess, like 4 projections that look like horns, and it's like a really dark colored flower too, I think. So, and this one again, touch test, feels good. It's too dark in this room for me to see if there's any new growths, but right now at least, but hopefully there are. Okay, last one in this bag. Okay, this one's also Lepanthes quadricornis. So I'm just gonna open this later. We can get through in a timely manner. Move this newspaper over. I got a little one here. Ooh, okay. This is a very exciting one. There's a lot of Lepanthes that look like this one, and Manabina. And there's a lot of ones that, yeah, they look like this one, but aren't the real thing. So, very excited to see what this blooms into. And I noticed a lot of these leaves are pretty dark, so I gotta be careful where I put them. See, this is like pretty dark green. Gotta be careful where I put them in my setup, because don't want to shock them with too much light. I think this might be another Manabina. Yeah, so I was looking to get a pair that I could breed with, so I just opened this real quick. So here's another Manabina. This one's a little lighter green. But yeah, leaves feel good. But these are very distinctly different leaves. I don't know if you can tell. There's like reticulations under this one. The other one wasn't so clear. So honestly, it'd be great if it was maybe mislabeled, and then I get an extra species out of it. But who knows? We'll find out when it blooms. Okay, it looks like someone tore this bag open already, but ooh, something happened in here. This is a bigger one. So it looks like the moss kind of went crazy on this one. But this is Lepanthes elegantula. And you can see the very long inflorescences are already poking out. But this will probably be one of my priorities, just because the moss has dislodged itself. I'm gonna touch the leaves. Leaves feel good. Leaves feel very good. These are a little more succulent usually, so not worried about them drying out. What is this one? Lepanthes smaragdina. Let me open this. I think this is one of the ones that kind of looks like Manabina as well, in terms of like leaf. Okay, the tag's on the bag, so I gotta remember. But okay, see this leaf has seen better days. It's melting away, but let me just touch this. That feels really good. Oh, most of it feels good. Oh, it looks like if the leaves touched the side, maybe this is like condensing water, and then the leaf stuck to it and then rotted. So these 3 leaves are goners, but this leaf feels okay. That one's gone as well. Dang. Okay, well, hopefully this one recovers as well. Alrighty. Last little bag here. I'm surprised there's no invoice in here. Huh. I guess I have an e-invoice. Didn't need to waste paper. One's got one. I don't really remember which, like I said, I ordered these things so long ago. This is a bigger one though. This big tube. Orquivalle? Huh. This is okay, well, I guess I didn't do my research well enough. This thing is humongous. I was not expecting that at all. But anyways, that's the last one there. Now, I guess go pot these up, and then I'll be back, meet you in the tent. Boom! And just like that, we are in the tent. Just wanted to show you guys how I ended up processing everything. So I am just using a bunch of old mounts I have because I didn't really have time to make them today. Make new mounts today. I think it'll be fine. But I'm testing out this new thing again where I use some of this live moss, and I'll see if it can help these guys recover a little better. So unfortunately, things look a little worse in here than they did outside. Probably because I can actually see them now. Whereas when they were outside and I was unboxing things, it was a little shady in that room. There's no overhead light either, so there's some things that lost quite a few leaves. If you look at this one here, there's only 3 left. And this one has 3, but this one's okay because it's a slow growing one. But I think things will recover. There's pretty decent roots, or at least there's new emerging roots on almost every plant. And so, yeah, I don't think I'll have to worry about that. My next thing I have to worry about is finding a place to fit all this stuff in here. I don't really like growing things on these sidewalls here and here just because the light is not right here, and so what happens is they end up growing to one side like these things. So divisions here, they're all growing towards me instead of out towards the middle. But anyways, this was just a quick impromptu unboxing video. Just felt like I want to show you guys how Orquivalle packs their stuff. Not a company that I import from a lot, so this was actually the first time importing from them, so this was an experience for me. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.